Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make your Avast Secure Browser into your default browser. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Avast Secure Browser into your default browser. This is very useful when you want your Avast Secure Browser to be your default browser. Whenever you click on it, it will go to Avast Secure Browser. So this is very useful if you want that. The first thing you need to do is open up your Avast Secure Browser. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, go down till you hit settings, then click settings. After clicking on settings, just scroll down, keep scrolling down. And once you're right back here, default browser, click on make default browser. And there you go. Avast Secure Browser is now your default browser. And another way to make your Avast Secure Browser to be a default browser is by doing it the normal way. By clicking default apps. There you go. After this, click on web browser and choose which one you want. But now, it is now Avast Secure. And a little bit of tip for you guys. When choosing a browser to make it your default browser, always remember that where you are logged in all of your accounts, that's what you make your default browser. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.